I'm showing you right now here in Seaman Trading Marketing Corporation that is located in Manailil Street. You can come here. They have outboard engines. This is Mercury 5. This price for this one is 68,000 pesos. Pila ka horsepower ni ma'am? So this is 5 horsepower ka na 2. So the 5 that you see, Mercury 5 for the outboard engine is 5 horsepower. So this is Mercury outboard. 68,000 pesos. Now you're looking at a Yamaha outboard engine again. Yamaha is smaller, only at 2 horsepower. So you can see it's an outboard engine. This is 35,000, brand new. So this is the other Yamaha outboard engines. This is the 30 horsepower. The 30 horsepower for Yamaha outboard is 135,000. Now for the Mercury brand, the 15 horsepower, the one I just showed you a while ago, was 65,000 for 5 horsepower. The biggest that they do for Mercury is 15 horsepower Mercury outboard at 98,000. Now, the smallest that Mercury do is 3.3 horsepower. So this is the Mercury brand. So the smallest that they do is 3.3 at 45,000. Whereas I have shown you the Yamaha, 2 horsepower is the smallest one, which is 35,000. Now for Yamaha, you can order it in bigger horsepower. If you want 40, 50, or 60, up to 75 horsepower is Yamaha. They can do you 2 weeks cash on delivery. So to give you an idea of the prices, if it's 40 horsepower, it costs 175,000. That's 2 weeks cash on delivery to order in Japan. Now, for 50 horsepower is 215,000. 40 horsepower, 50 horsepower outboard Yamaha. Now 60 horsepower again is 255,000, and the 75 horsepower, that's the biggest they do in Yamaha, is 275,000. Again, that's 2 weeks order and then cash on delivery. So you don't, if you order, you don't have to worry because you only pay it when you see the item. This is here in MG Machinery in Carbon, Manailil Street, Carbon. So these are the outboard engines.